important topic for your paper 1, degree inflation. Now this is a topic also important for those appearing for UPSC prelims. What is degree inflation? Degree inflation means the employers are now looking for people who have a higher qualification even for the jobs which do not require that high qualification. The simple reason that have been cited for that is the jobs are now automated and have replaced the manual jobs. Now in order to have those automated jobs, technology is something a person must be familiar with. So a well qualified person would be a better fit for that job in contrast to a person who does not hold a degree. And this has mainly percolated because of the wide use of technology and increasing competencies in the job requirement. So there has been a shift from the person's physical abilities that are required to operating a newer technology which would require some sort of a skill set, and therefore employers are now looking for trained people who can actually be well set in their job profile. Now there is another term, degree gap. Now how do we measure degree inflation? We measure degree inflation by the term degree gap. So Harvard Business School released a statistics, and according to which it says that there is a discrepancy between the college degree in job postings via the people who are hiring those. So people who are already employed with degree are only 16%, but when they are hiring for job posting, they are nearly 67% people who have a degree, and this is called as a degree gap which is generated. So now the 4-year degree course or your bachelor's course, as it is said, was initially at a good repute, but with degree inflation coming in, the value for the bachelor's course has been declining, and people are now looking for candidates who are masters and above in even skills which do not require that degree. A very important topic, highly important for your NET paper 1 perspective as well. We'll be covering similar more lectures. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day.